Good morning everyone, we are from UKM and we are going to talk about light bulbs, brought to you by Group 23, Fantastic 4.
History of light bulb. The first commercial practically incandescent light in 1879 by Thomas Edward Edison. Application of a light bulb. Light bulb used in household, commercial lighting and portable lighting. There are 5 common types of a light bulb. Incandescent bulb, a fluorescent lamp, compact fluorescent lamp, halogen lamp, light emitting diode. The high technology light bulb is a light emitting diode because they require less energy consumption.
And it will be widely used in the future due to its advantages.
The light bulb vary in shape, filament design and base type.
Material
Of a light bulb. The first one is a filament made from tungsten. The second is a base of the light bulb made from aluminium or brass. And the material of a bulb made from a soda lime glass. In a bulb, we have a mixture of argon and a nitrogen gas can increase the life of a filament. The next is a support wire to support the lead-in wire. The lead-in wire is made of a nickel iron wire. The best conductor carry current.
In light bulb, we have 3 chemical composition. First one is inert gas. Next, we have halogen. Halogen can produce instant white light, commonly used in car headlight. Lastly, we have hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid adds a cross-light effect to the bulb, which helps to spread the light over a wide area. Physical and material properties. First, we have bulb. The material used to make the bulb is soft glass. Secondly, the gas used in light bulb usually a mixture of nitrogen and argon to retard evaporation of filament. Next, the filament usually is made of tungsten. It may be a straight wire or a coil. Next, contact wire goes to foot. The electrical foot contact connect wire to an electricity source. Contact wire goes to the base. They complete the electrical circuit when a bulb is screwed in. Next, molybdenum wire used to support the filament. The glass mount serves as skeleton of the bulb. Lastly, screw thread and installation.
How to buy a right size bulb? First, you have to see the wattage, and next, you have to see the size. E stands for arbitrary alphabet, and 14 stands for the diameter of the bulb. Diameter is measured from here to this side.
The process of incandescent light bulb. First, machine cuts the glass tube into specific lengths and land it into glazing wheel for smooth the surface. Next, the glass tube entering the flare marking machine, which heats tube to make it malleable, stretch one end into flare shape. Next, load 2 copper lead wires into the flare and insert in the exhaust tube. A trick through hotter flame soften the tube. Of press, then move to enhance the wire in glass. After that, separate the load wire, form the end into hooks for faster. After that, we must insert the coating by synthetic silicone, white powder and sling them into thin layer inside the bulb using right amount of heat. Next, torch, then fuse the flat end of the mount to neck of the bulb. Then vacuum out all the air and replace it with pressured argon gas. We must bend the lead wire and torch them to seal the exhaust glass, locking the argon gas. Last but not least, insert one of the lead wire into aluminium base in the middle and solder it in place. Finally, we test the light bulb and ready to package it to consumer.
Let's see who are the local manufacturers. The first one is Philips, which is one of the leading lighting company in Malaysia. The next one is Osram, which is a brand come from Germany, which has 3 branches in Malaysia. The third one is THL Light brand, where you can find most of the products in any online stores. Now let's see about the international manufacturers. They are from Germany, Osram, Canada, Eurolight, Hungary, Budapest, Tungsram and Sylvania, Indonesia, Chioda, and United States, Norma. Next, let's see how it works. Hello everyone, my name is light bulb. Ever since Thomas Edison invented me in 1879, people use in refrigerators, table lamps and chandeliers due to its high efficiency and its low cost that is affordable. They call me Edison light bulb or incandescent light bulb. According to Google Dictionary, incandescent means emitting light as a result of being heated, which how I am meant to work. For me to light up, we need electricity. The electrons from the current will enter the light bulb and vibrates when it collides with atoms in the light bulb to heat up the tungsten filament. Tungsten has no specific heat capacity, which takes shorter time to heat up and lights up the bulb, and it cools down quickly when the electricity is switched off. The resistivity of tungsten is high, and it has high temperature coefficient, which allow it to withstand the high temperature of bright light bulb. Another characteristic of tungsten which makes it chosen for the making of light bulb is its high melting point. With this, tungsten filament can withstand the high heat without melting easily and extend the life of a light bulb. When I am lighted up, I can produce heat of temperature up to more than 2000 degrees Celsius at the tungsten filament. But due to this argon gas inserted at the free space in the glass bulb, it helps to distribute the heat to the surface area of light bulb and hence reduce its localized temperature. Another function of argon gas inserted is to give pressure to the filament when there's electricity so that it lasts longer at a higher temperature and produce higher light intensity efficiently without blackening of the glass of the bulb. This allows the light bulb to have longer life cycle. However, this light bulb is not as efficient as modern light bulbs. It produces more heat energy than light energy. In 1947, white frosted light bulbs are produced. Finally, this is a quick process of how it is lighted up. Thanks for watching.